that much better. Many more extra hard disks you can add like this. Hello friends, today in this video I'm going to show you how we can add one more extra hard disk in our virtual machine. Sometimes we need extra hard disk in our server. So how we can add one more extra hard disk in our server? Yeah, any virtual machine. So let's go and check how we can do that. So this is my virtual machine. Now you can see this is my virtual machine. So this is my virtual machine where I need to add one more extra hard disk in this machine. So let's check how many hard disks connected in this server right now. So let's check here. Now you can see only one hard disk connected in this server. So now you can check here disk management. This one only 65 GB is connected in my virtual machine, virtual server. So now we need one more extra hard disk in this server. So how we can do that? So click here, right click here, click on setting, and select the hard disk and click add. Here's the selected the hard disk. Whatever you want, CD drive, floppy, network adapter, USB adapter, whatever you want, you can add. So I'm going to add hard disk. Click next, and here is the SCSI recommended and SATA. Whatever you want, you can add. You want a SATA, so you can select the SATA. Yeah, SCSI. So I'm going to connect SCSI. So click on next. Create new virtual machine compared to one or more. If you have the existing virtual disk, so you can select here, use an existing virtual disk. But right now I want to create new virtual disk, so create new virtual disk. Okay, type here the how many disk space you want to add. So I'm going to add 20 GB. Allocated all disk space now. No, right now I'm not going to allocate all disk space right now. Using further in future, it will increase automatically. So I'm going to leave it and store virtual disk as a single file. Click on here, that much better. To store virtual disk as a single file, click next, and here's the file disk location where you store. So my location is my F drive, but I'm going to select here virtual machine and type here the name is virtual machine Windows Server. Extra SDT in server. Okay, save here. So new virtual so this is the part where you have store your new virtual hard disk. So click on finish. Now you can see here one more hard disk is added into your server. Now click on OK. Okay, now you can see here 20 GB hard disk is more add in this server. Now going to here and initiate. Okay, okay, now I'm going to click here new simple values, click next, 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 and then finish. Now you can see one more 20 GB extra hard disk added into your server. So I hope you learn how we can add one more extra hard disk. Yeah, many more extra hard disks you can add like this. So I hope you understand how we can add extra hard disk in our virtual machine, in our server for data backup, yeah, whatever you want. So thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.